Hello, welcome to the video. Please like and subscribe. Today, we will be talking about your money. How to grow your money. How to save your money. And how to invest your money. First things first, you have to have the right mindset. Failing to plan. Is planning to fail? Tracking your income and spending will show you where you can cut back and save. Try to find areas in your spending that you can cut back in. This will allow you to have money that you can invest and save. Your future self will love you for it. Don't make your future self hate you. Open a high-yield savings account. Many banks are now offering high-yield savings accounts. Just do a quick search on high-yield savings accounts. A high-yield savings account earns more interest on your money. Next, start saving your emergency fund. An emergency fund will help you cover unexpected expenses like car repairs and maintenance cost. Your emergency fund can prevent you from dipping into your savings or investments for unexpected expenses. The next thing you want to do is pay off any credit card debt. High-interest credit card debt typically has higher interest rate than most investment returns. Pay off high-interest credit card debt before investing to avoid paying more in interest than your investments make. Open a retirement account. IRA. An IRA, individual retirement account, is a tax-advantaged retirement savings account that offers potential tax benefits and growth. Now the fun part. Investing. There are many ways to invest. Stocks, bonds, real estate. Diversify your investments to reduce risk and potentially increase returns. ETFs. Exchange-traded funds. ETFs offer diversified investing in multiple companies, industries, energy, materials, industrials, consumer discretionary, consumer staples, healthcare, financials, information technology, communication services, utilities, and real estate. Diversify your investments across multiple industries to reduce risk. Bonds. Bonds offer lower risk and steady income. Real estate. Real estate offers various investment options. Residential properties, commercial properties, land, real estate investment trusts, REITs, real estate crowdfunding, and real estate limited partnerships, RELPs. Research investments carefully before making decisions. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.